In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal with Xero. Connecting PayPal to Xero is a great way to streamline your invoicing and make it easier for your customers to pay you online. Once this is set up, customers will be able to click a PayPal button directly from your Xero invoice, and those payments will flow into Xero, helping you keep your accounts tidy and up to date. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have access to the organization where you want to set this up. From your Xero dashboard, look towards the top left of the screen where your profile name appears. Click on your profile name. This opens a small menu that gives you access to different areas of your account. In that menu, click on Settings. Settings is where Xero keeps most of your organization-wide options, including online payment methods. When the settings page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one in Xero. Next, on the settings page, look for the option called Online Payments. Go ahead and click on Online Payments. This section controls how your customers can pay the invoices you send them. If you haven't set anything up before, this page might look quite empty, and that's completely fine. Now, on the Online Payments page, look for a button or link that says Add Other. Click on Add Other. This is where Xero shows you additional payment services that you can connect to your invoices. From the list of available services, find PayPal and click on PayPal. This tells Xero that you want to connect your PayPal account so it can be used as a payment option on your invoices. At this point, Xero will ask you to fill in some details. Typically, this will include the email address associated with your PayPal business account and possibly some preferences, such as which bank account in Xero should receive PayPal payments and what reference or description you want to appear. Take your time here and make sure the information matches your PayPal account exactly, especially the email address. Once you have entered those details, follow the on-screen prompts. Xero may redirect you to a PayPal login page so you can grant permission for the connection. Carefully read each screen, confirm the access, and continue until you see a confirmation that PayPal has been connected. When you're done, your invoices in Xero will be able to include PayPal as a payment option, making it faster and easier for your customers to